A PCB with a camera must be added to robot. ECAD Engineer opens the PCB project. Baseline is sent with PCB data to MCAD Engineer. MCAD Engineer creates a new product for the PCB with camera. MECODES EDMD project is created as well. Baseline is imported into 3D experience. PCB with camera is imported into robot. Imported PCB is placed to a correct position in 3D space. Male connectors of PCB with camera fit the female connector on lower PCB. A clash is detected between a component on camera PCB and another component. MCAD Engineer finds a better place for the component in clash. The change to camera PCB is proposed to ECAD Engineer. ECAD Engineer imports the proposal, reviews it, and responds. MCAD Engineer sees that proposed change is accepted. The collaboration continues.